Hello, friends! Hi, friends! Let's try! Swimming!
Swimming.
What do you do in swimming?
I swim.
Football.
Football.
What do you do in football?
I kick the ball.
Running.
Running.
What do you do in running?
I run.
Basketball.
Basketball.
What do you do in basketball?
I throw the ball.
Golf. Golf. What do you do in golf?
I hit the ball.
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
What do you do in volleyball?
I hit the ball.
Tennis.
A tennis.
What do you do in tennis?
I hit the ball. Yay!
Bowling.
Bowling.
What do you do in bowling?
I roll the ball.